YouTube never recommends your videos because you're using shit keywords. YouTube algorithm is basically just a big search engine for videos, just like Google. If you don't have the right keywords, then the search engine won't be able to find your content. Here are 3 tips to get you started. Well, I'd recommend Keyword Tool or Ahrefs. Both of these sites let you put in your topic to see what keywords are getting the most traffic. They also provide competition rankings to tell you where the gaps in the market are. Next is YouTube itself. Your analytics page has tons and tons of information, including a search tab that tells you exactly what your viewers are searching for. YouTube feeds you the answers you need. The last one is triple keyword rule. Once you have your keywords, make sure to put them all in your title, description, and tags of your video. To maximize your chances of the algorithm picking up your videos, put the most important keyword right at the top of your title. Want more algorithm hacks? Then subscribe my channel.